Oh my God, what's this?
The one that was here. Yes, that.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
You've got green one?
Yeah, no, it's the pipes will take it off. Yeah. You have to look this.
Chibi's happy.
Yeah. I couldn't do this. Yeah, I couldn't do it.
What's this?
Carpet.
Oh, carpet cleaner. Wow.
Look at it's for, I can use this. This the pipe.
Chibi made so much mess in here.
The pipe that clean. The pipe that clean. The pipe that clean.
Oh wow, this is a different kind of pipe.
No, it's not.
Ooh. Is this wet and dry? Ah, it is. Look.
There. You don't have one.
GB, can I keep this, please?
No,
You've got blue one at the back. Oh, wow, GB.
This Dyson. This Dyson. Oh! Brush.
What is this?
Brush.
Ah, look. Is this one?
You need a.
I think it's to clean the tiles. Yay.
Look.
We can wash the tiles with this.
Yeah.
Okay. This is a very good quality, GB. Can I keep this, please? Please.
The hand's not going.
Henry, quick.
Yeah. Not going.
Not going where?
I show this. Oh, you can?
Yeah, I'm okay.
You put this. It looked like.
I love you, GB.
I got another one over there.
Yeah, you got Super Henry there.
Yeah, put it.
Your Super Henry sad. I think your Super Henry sad. Look.
Do you want me to fix this for you?
Yeah. The pipe's not locking.
The pipe's not locking.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do it for you. Don't worry. Just one.
You did this one?
No, I'll show you how to lock this one. Don't worry.
No, this one. No, this one.
Hmm.
You do this one.
I like this green color.
No, this is mine. This favorite.
Is your favorite?
It's mine.
Okay, so I'll show you now. Okay, look. Look, Jimmy. This is how you plug it in. Look.
Oh, see.
Oh, this is plugged in now.
Look.
So what you do?
There, look.
Look.
That one.
Oh, this is all plugged in now. So
This is wet and dry. Is this wet and dry?
Yeah.
So let me just help you with this. Yeah, give me that thing. Oh, actually this one, you can use this first.
Oh, this is cool.
Yeah.
Oh, we've got similar tools for the blue one.
Yeah.
But this is extraordinary because it has a tiles cleaner.
This is new version, isn't it?
This is new version.
So this goes
GB,
here.
I'm
Look,
keeping
look,
this.
GB.
GB, I need to clean my tiles. I'm keeping this.
Oh, no, this is for the carpet, not for the tiles.
No, this one is for
So
the
you do
tiles.
this. Do you want to switch it on?
No.
No?
I have it tomorrow.
No, you can do it now.
Okay, let's do it now. I'll show you.
You need to man.
Huh?
You need to man.
Man,
You need to turn the man on. Then you need to turn. Why you need to turn the man on?
man, who's man? He's called George.
Yeah.
Look. So you can see. Oh, Didi, this is powerful. This is to clean carpet.
Oh no. Which one?
Switch off. This one. You can even change this one you can change it to the other one. If you want to change it, let's change this. Okay, you can change this.
Why?
If you want to, because it's good.
This one is for what? This is for
carpet.
Oh, it's also for carpet.
This one?
I like this tool because this you can clean the tiles with this. I like this tool. GB, I like this tool.
No. No.
You see, Jimmy?
I can use this.
You can use this?
Yeah.
GB, Super Henry sad. Look.
I put it I want to play it. This will open now.
This is for the bigger carpet. This is carpet tool. You can't use it here anyways.
Yeah. I don't want you to ruin my tiles, GB.
Leave it here then.
I think we need to buy a carpet for GB.
We'll leave it on the side for now.
Oh, I found the carpet.
Yeah.
Oh, this one's for...
yeah, we can use this.
Yeah, let's use this then.
Look, even we've got this here. This is for the... Oh,
I like
this. This is for the tiles.
Yes.
Actually,
You can wash the tiles and then you can rub.
Let's use this one.
I like this tool.
You can use it, Mom.
I can use it? But you're not going to let me use the Henry.
You're gonna let
George.
Let's use this one.
I can use this here. Okay.
Oh, this one. It's so good.
So what you do with this, look, TV there. You do this. You plug this in. And this is called wet, dry and wet, yeah? So you do this. Very powerful.
Yeah.
So you want to change this tool to this one?
I want to use that.
Okay. You want to use it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I need to put the bottle in the bottle.
Use it now then, please.